Udukot ka PDF, ubalong ru menteri ka kabinet uba Hamletson Dohling mentaga sengi ulalek ban Pyniasoh ilade baga Seng NPP haka jinge don lang menteri rang baga jela ukan rat ke sangma udukot ka Raja Sabha uba WR Kharluki menteri ka kabinet uba sengi ubalang dhar barki wei ki he nong yalam jongga Seng unong yalam barim jongga Seng ki SU ulalek ban Pyniasoh barka NPP ringkat kinong kershan jong u Marsen Pyniasoh bat ke NPP ulaong ba unlet penlet jingmut hakimat ki bayade ba roi kapar jong ka constituency jong u loror kimat ki bedangsa kentup ya ke jing pentre kam ya ka ILP National President ke NPP ukan rat ke sangma ulaong ba ke jinglam khmat ya ka sarkar ringkat ki hnreungut kinong buat pa ki riu shimet kamlong ka bakam ka basuk ha ka baula penshai kat tu kat ni ki jing e bayade bat ki sengsen drop lang ha ka jela kinong yalam barim ka PDF uba Ivan Lum lang marbanyang beruba lang litan kila Pyniasoh lang sya ka Seng NPP dekis pa ngut kinong kershan ke NPP kila ilum lang hamadan umlingka na kabenta ka jingrung Seng jong MLA ka than.
History with coalition politics is never easy because all political parties and leaders will have their own interests, their own stand, their own areas of concern, their own way of handling situations. And hence, for a government to be able to carry everybody along sometimes is not the easiest thing.
Within a short span of time, Korak Tisangwa has came here thrice, 3 times. We have great history by scoring a hat-trick in this locality in Omlenga. Because 3 times we have come here in Omlenga. This shows the love, the respect that we have to my people in Mleko Sensi, and this shows that you are behind me to fight for this coming election.